Oh my God, this looks so yummy. That looks good. Hi guys, comment on mon ami. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. And today's recipe, I'm going to show you guys how I make this creamy, delicious, beautiful chicken Alfredo pasta. But before I show you guys how it's done, don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe to my channel, guys, if you are new here. Without any further talking, let's get cooking. To start, my chicken already clean. I'm adding some olive oil. This is all the seasoning I will be using. Everything will be in the description box below for you guys with all the measurement. As you guys can see, the chicken look well seasoned. And now we're gonna move on to cook the chicken. Gonna add some oil. I'm going to cook the chicken 3 to 4 minutes each side. After 3 to 4 minutes, we're gonna flip these girls. As you can see, so crispy. Now we're gonna move on to cook the pasta. This is the pasta I'm going to use. You can use any pasta you like. And please cook your pasta based on packaging instructions. Now I'm moving to make that Alfredo sauce. This is some fresh garlic. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon. And I'm adding 1 cup of heavy cream. And you're gonna mix that very well, like mix it up. Okay, the seasoning I'm going to use in my Alfredo is some Italian seasoning, garlic and onion powder, and some chicken bouillon. Yes, yes, chicken bouillon. And I'm adding some Parmesan cheese. And 1.5 tablespoons of cream cheese. If you haven't added cream cheese in your Alfredo sauce, you have to try it. Like seriously, you have to add cream cheese in your Alfredo sauce. And this is some chicken. I took one piece of the chicken, I chopped it into bite pieces, and I'm gonna add that to the Alfredo sauce. Mm-mm-mm. You see how creamy that Alfredo? Like the sauce is thick, just like me. So yeah, like this was bomb. Like seriously. See how creamy my sauce is? I mean, like, listen. Now I'm adding the pasta, and you're gonna mix that very well. This, this looks so good, yeah. Like, you see? I mean, so creamy, and it tastes really good, guys. Like, really good. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Like this video if this recipe was helpful, and share this video with someone. And we already done, guys. I'm adding my chicken and top it with some fresh parsley. And guys, like, take a look at this. Like, take a look at this. Mm-mm-mm. Now I'm gonna plate it for you guys. You see? Oh my God. This was bomb. This was bomb, yeah. Like, this is like the final look. If you are still watching, thank you so much. This is it for this recipe. I'll see you guys in another recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, guys.